Alright guys, what you can see here in front of you is video that I've added using a plugin called Video Stacks. Video Stacks is probably in its last day or two being available. It's from Matthew McDonald, and Matthew doesn't really tend to keep his launches open for very long before he puts the prices up, as I'm pretty sure you will be aware now. What I'm showing you this for is because the way that we can use this in combination with another plugin that I'm going to give as a bonus. Okay, so you can see here that I have pulled in just one simple video here using his Video Stacks plugin. Now I've got the advanced version, which allows me to put in some call to action like this buy button on here. And there's some other things as well that you can use as well with his plugin in the settings in here. So if we go into the video events, which is for the premium version, you can see that we can add in some slides, we can add in some banners, we can add in the buy button, and we can do all kinds of configuration stuff in here as well. When I'm in here, I can move this anywhere I want to as well, because it was kind of hanging off the page. I can put it anywhere where I want to. Okay, just drag it. Okay, so that is able to create as well. The reason I want to show you this is able to create as well not just multiple videos, which is what it was really created for, but even better in my opinion is to use it in this way where we can have the shortcode put in here. So we've got our video stack in here, but also we can use it for content marketing. Okay, so we can put in a single video in here with a call to action buy button in here, and what I want to do then is I want to create some content around this. Okay, so for example, I've got my video that I'm using with Video Stacks. It's just a single video, okay, and the buy button will appear, and the video is all about WordPress SEO. Okay, it's about my WordPress alpha system where people can deploy a WordPress site in 3 clicks. That's got some configurations done for the site speed, it's got configurations done for the SEO settings, the GDPR, and some other stuff like that as well. Okay, so that's what that video is about. But what if I wanted to do some kind of content marketing and use my content, my video, and my suggested solution to a problem, okay, in that content? Now, one of the easiest ways to do this, and one of the best ways to do this, is to optimize for Google Snippets, for featured snippets. Featured snippets is where you will find some snippet box at the top of the search engines before you get down to the #1 ranked content. Okay, so what you will see is a featured snippets box, then you will see some people also ask section, and then you will get the results. The results now for #1, #2, #3, they're like halfway down the page now. Okay, they're not even above the fold anymore, as I'm sure you're probably aware. So what I did is I got this little plugin created, okay, to make things a lot easier. Now you can see here I've got my example headline in here, and I haven't got my post written out. I just did this as an example for this video, where I've got my video stack underneath. It's got my one single video, which is going to be the solution. Okay, and here you can see 10 WordPress SEO. I'll put in here tools. Tools. You should be you should know about, but probably don't. Okay, that's the kind of headline that will probably get some clicks. So what we do is we put some brackets in there because it does increase the click-through rate. Okay, if we got brackets, and it increases the click-through rate if we got a number at the beginning. Okay, usually if you put a question mark in there, it will increase it again, but I can't find where to put a question mark in there, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Now what I want to do is I want to create some optimization for some feature snippets that I can just simply fill in the blanks. Okay, this is exactly what this does. So I'll come over here, you can see my HTML generator. Now what I can do is I can use the table template, and that gives me the format that I just simply need to go in here and fill in the blanks. I can put in item 1, description 1, and the link. Okay, and this is perfectly formatted for being able to rank for feature snippets for using the tables. Okay, now what if I didn't want to use the table? Let's just come down a little bit. Okay, I can use the paragraph template. Okay, this is the most common one that feature snippets will rank for. Okay, if I don't want to use that, let's come down a little bit more. You can delete all these as well whenever you're finished. I can use a list template. Okay, you can see this is a bulleted list. and this one here underneath that, well, this one is a numbered list, okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, we've put all these together in this little plugin here, and that you can get today as a bonus. Okay, it's only available as a bonus. I did give it one time away to some people who attended a webinar, and we've taken that page down, we've redirected that page since. The only way that you will get a hold of this plugin, which is perfectly formatted for optimizing for featured snippets, okay, for the Google snippets. Okay, the only way that you're going to get this is if you purchase from my link. Okay, now if you've already purchased video stacks from my link, you can send a new receipt and you will get your copy, the same as everybody else. You can see the how-tos, etc. We can put in how-to as well. Okay, so all of that you can put in. You can just take it out if you don't want it. Okay, any of that, take out any time, and just come up here, delete all of that, come back in here, and again where we started off from. Okay, very, very quick, very, very easy, not hard to do to optimize. Let's just try one more. Let's see the how-to number 3, how that looks like. This is like step 1, step 2, step 3. This is really actually a very good way to do curation. If you've got a curation tool, this is a perfect way to optimize for curation, and all of that is optimizing for feature snippets that we know about, that you can get rankings for. Perfect. Okay, now it also comes along with a Chrome extension that was just basically giving you the HTML that you can paste in if you're not using a WordPress site. So if you're using a different kind of site or an HTML kind of template, you can do that as well with that using the Chrome extension. Just use the drop down and the Chrome extension will spit out the HTML that you need, that you can just basically paste into any website builder at all that you want to use it with. Okay, as long as you can put HTML in there, you can use it. Okay, so that's how you can get this is what you can get as a bonus if you purchase the plugin from Matt, which is the video stacks. Okay, and if you get the advanced version, you can do so much more. Okay, I'm going to give this plugin, the bonus plugin, with the advanced version of this. Okay, so you need to purchase both the front end and the OTO, okay, to be able to get this. But it's a very, very good plugin. It's a very, very good way that you can use a plugin like this as well. You do not need to use more than one video, because when you start to watch his front end video, it starts to look initially, it's just like an accordion kind of thing, but as you go deeper into the video and then get into the more advanced settings with the upgrade, you've got all these beautiful things that you can do in here. You can switch things off, you can make the video appear at different times, or buy buttons and calls to action appear at different times, etc. And it's quite advanced. Okay, and you can do a lot with it until you can get to the point where you can do advanced content marketing using this very quickly, very easily, to be able to put together an offer using any video at all. Okay, you can even trim the video if it's a demo video for an affiliate offer, and you can put your buttons on there. You can put a button like go and buy this now. Even if it's someone else's product, you can do it with your affiliate link. Perfect. Okay, thank you.